kaunti-inĩ ya Gĩthii. Na rigoti rĩa Limuru kurekereria na bodi kwĩrwo arĩa maranyitĩkanĩte makinyararithia atumia kĩganda-inĩ kĩmwe mwena wa Limuru gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu. Macio no matemo mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV ni mwako ati muthenya waku ni uragutwarithia uwega tariki-ini 11 naguo mweri wa Julai mwaka wa 2023 atakiri undu tangajaire ho na nigae kunyita ugeni metha-ini itu ya Mohoro niguo kumenyithia maria mariko na makiria thiini iria iriko ya Mohoro guku ni kwa Muthingi TV turakomewekirie na njira ya mwako imwe ni live transmission kuma guku mucii munene wa Kenya Nairobi ririkana no ukorwo Kenya na ithu kuri muno wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV kuri muno wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV wana watu tigira ndomerie kuguko watiri undu tangaja ni tugukorwo tukimiamukira na tugukorwo tugitirithania nawe riakwa ni Kariuki wa Nduati. Itio kinene tukianjiriria mohoro maitu ni ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Kakamega ni manyitanire ro hamwe na honge itiganite na makiria cia uthuthuria DCI mwena ucio niguo gukorwo magithuthuria wiki na ino rio tafanirio utuku wa gukia omothe thibitari-ini uria kana thibitari-ini wa Kakamega na uria uri kaunti-ini iyo kuringana na munini wa governor kaunti-ini na uria wikaine ta Zavula yugite ati ucio hanikire thutha kana hanikite thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ukorwo ikinyagia dawa na makiririe itanyito gukorwo ikeo arwaru thibitari-ini ucio nduko nyinyitu kana nduko nyinyitu ucio ugaikorwo gitafanio ukiri uguo ni mugite ati kugerera kamera cia CCTV na iria makorirwo makihithukia amwe aikira ni megukorwo magiciuthira niguo gukorwo makinyita ngono aria marakorwo magikwirwo gukorwo magitafanio ndu uyu guko na commissioner wa gicigo kiwo kiuga ati aria megukorwo makinyitikana na mahitia matigukirisha guoko kwa watho.
We are involving DCI in investigation of those theft of drugs, not only this hospital, but even other hospitals where the governor had supplied the drugs. Some of the drugs were stolen and investigations are going on. The police are also investigating, and I know that's why you are here. The medical superintendent's office was broken in last night. The CCTV camera was stolen, and the CPU, the desktop machine, they went away with it. It contains the record of the hospital, and we have informed the police, and the police are investigating the matter, the DCI wing of the police. Medicine is supplied quarterly. The governor supplied medicine in all hospitals 3 months ago. It's almost expiring. We are putting in place a mechanism on how to fill the stocks, because the medicine that are there are not enough to serve for the next 3 months. And the meeting we had today, actually, we agreed on that the stocks that are getting depleted, let them give the budget now so that the procurement process can begin.
Atoka nyumbani na mgonjwa akitegemea hospitali imsaidie, lakini kufika pale anatumwa vitu zenye haistahili kutumwa kwenda kununua kwa chemist. Mtu ukitumwa gloves, na gloves ni ya serikali, unatumwa madawa serikali inaleta pale madawa KEMSA. Sasa sijui hiyo KEMSA kuna shimo mahali ambayo madawa inatokea pale chini, ikienda hatuwezi tukaelewa.
Nakuja malori zinaingia hapa, kama sisi tuko hapa watu wa boda boda tunaiona, hata sisi wenyewe tunaenda kutoa madawa kwa hizo malori tukiweka hapo.
Una brenia tena warigitani kuma kaunti-ini ya Machakos matogoretio ni muikarigiti wa kana wa kiama rigitari na makiria kuma kaunti-ini no norio wikaine ta Charles Okumu riu ni mugite ati mari hatikaine ya gukorwo makiiga mero ya uthe kumana na wagi kana kumana na wagi wa kuiguanira thirikari nene gukiri uguo ni mugite ati wakahinda ka miaka 10 riu neria marigitari makurirwo makendekithia gukorwo makiongererwo mishara gutiri undu ukoretwo kihanika riu makiuga ati cigana ni cigana bikinya riria ringi riu matigitio na rone gutigira ati ni matacokia ikinya ria gukorwo makiiga mero ya othe niguo kuona kana makaya mao ni megukorwo magikiguika.
2 weeks ago, that is on the 26th of June, we gave a notice to the county of Machakos with various grievances that were reported to us by our members. Our members, that is basically all the healthcare workers in the hospital facility, that is in the facility of Machakos level 5, Kangundo level 4, and all the facilities in the county. And these issues, number one, have been promotions of these healthcare workers. So you find that a nurse can work for 15 years without promotion. And the same applies for all the other cadres, working for 5 years without a single promotion. That was the basis of us writing to the county government 2 weeks ago and issuing them with a legal strike notice. Take note that before the notice we have had multiple engagements with all the officers of the county government, including the governor. So out of these multiple engagements, we have kept talking to our members and urging them to continue working in good faith, serving their patients as they are mandated to do or bound by the Hippocratic Oath. But this has gone for too long. So where we are today is at a position whereby we are left with only 7 days. And as we stand here today, we have just come out of a meeting with the officers of the county government without anything tangible as considered by these various leaders.
Of our issues have been addressed. The county government requested us to give them from April, May, June. And we have been patient, waiting for the issues that we had said to be addressed. Key among them, promotions. And as we talk right now, what is even hurting us as healthcare workers is our environment to work. We have to send patients to buy things so that we can offer services to them. It is demotivating to us as workers. Workers in Machakos County, healthcare workers in Machakos County are demotivated. And as we talk, as he said, we are just out of a meeting that we did not see anything that we had requested, anything on the table. And that is why we just said, time is up. Our members have refused. It is time to go on a strike.
Riu tugithina mbere ni ati naguo bururi wa Kenya wina mubango wa gutigirira ati no magacirithia ugiro hamwe na mathomo na makiria mandoria mukoragwo magitwarithia meri o ne kuringana na murugamiriri kana munini wa mutongoria wa gikundi kia gicugwa-ini na kiria kiukaine ta Kenya Maritime Authority uri ukaine ta Luxembourg ni njiremo ya gutigirira ati andu aria mukoragwo magitabania mehang'o ino ni magena ugi makiria ni gukorwo makihurana ginyanagia na makumbi hindi iria mari wira-ini wao.
Sasa nchi kuna nafasi nyingi ambazo zinapatikana kule, lakini si nafasi tu ambazo zitaweza kupatikana, ni nafasi ambazo zitapatikana kama mambo yetu ya training, mambo yetu ya certificates, mambo yetu ya wale vijana pia ambao wakiingia kwenye meli wanafanya kazi kwa ujasiri, wanafanya kazi vizuri, wanaweza kujitengezea jina. Watu ambao walikuwa wameajiriwa kutoka Kenya kwenda kwenye meli kufanya kazi hawakuwa wengi, na Kenya hapo nchi ambayo imejipatia jukumu kama serikali kufuatilia kuhakikisha kwamba vijana wanapata kazi kwenye meli. Si nchi nyingi zinafanya hivyo. Angalia watu wengi wawekezaji wale walio na meli, wale ambao wanataka watu wa kufanya kazi kwenye meli wamekuwa nchi moja ambayo imejitolea sana kwa mambo ya training na certification.
Anapewa vyeti awe amefuzu kutoka shule ambayo inatambulika na amefunzwa ile syllabus ambayo tunaijua, tumeitambua, na kisha tumepeleka ile report kule International Maritime Organization na wameikubali kwamba mambo ambayo tunafanya yanalingana na ile STCW code, na kwa hivyo tunaweka kwenye whitelist, na kuweka kwenye whitelist inamaanisha kwamba vyeti vyetu vinatambulika duniani nzima na inaweza kutumika kwenye meli yoyote ambayo inaenda nchi za nje.
Aya, tugithina mbere na ati na tugina kana tugithina mbere ni ati na kio gikundi ya Kenya Women Teachers Association ni kio ete ikinya ria gutigirira ati chirithia mathomo ya githi kuringana na uru ni mariketie kuruguria mutaratara mweru uria gutigirira ati arutwo ni makuru magiteithika kugerera kana gukorwo makiuria ciuria na magateithika kurira ngenda cia kiriu guku arimu aria mariketie kuhuruka wira magitanyo kunyita itemi walimu ni matanyitwo gukorwo makiamukira kigina kumanagia na wira wao na kana atongoria ngurani aria manyitite undu uyu itemi na makiria baru makiuga ati ni guteithiriria gutigirira ati githomo na makiria kaunti-ini ya githini giakorwo gikiyukiriria na njira iria yagirire.
Credit just goes to star 487. Those who have. Grace, you'll prompt me. Please go to star 487 and tell me what you see. If you go to teachers to come and be with us on 21st, when we are giving out over 200 laptops to women teachers and male teachers who are members of Kewota. These laptops are supposed to support the current government push where they are now already introducing the ICT labs in schools. If this kind of training is not done to teachers, the laptop to schools project will flop. It will be a big flop if teachers are not empowered. And that is the gap that Kewota is filling. We have an MOU with the Equity Bank, HOP, and the Estonian government, who have digitalized for us orange books. 145 books are already digitalized, and teachers can access them on these laptops which we are providing at an affordable fee, and the teachers can pay slowly using their salaries. So now we're bringing hope by providing income generating process of teachers when they are doing the same thing they love and what they are trained for. So we are encouraging all teachers to load onto this platform and make extra money. With 840 students already on the platform, one question can be picked by 5,000 students. And 5,000 times 500, that is almost 250,000.
That is going to help our people back on the ground. I want more resources to come to the ground so that we can change our lives. If I may speak about our girl child, there's a lot that is going on that is not on the limelight. I want to urge you, members of the press, kindly, organizational sessions as such, they help girl child, those children who are not going to school, the mothers who are suffering at home, those are the teachers that have been retired who does not have financial support.
Managing the accounts and doing the auditing. So we have that for you. Why? I know you are in
Aya, tuthina mbere ni ati no ekwirwo aria meriga gwikio ngono ni maabitha borithi na makiria aria ni arugamiriri a kambuni ya Brown Cheese ni ria iri mwena wa Limuru guku ni kaunti ya Kiambu magikwirwo mahitia ma guthina mbere na guthinikania atumia aria marutaga wira ma kambuni iyo kugerera kwenda kumenya kana ni magirira kahinda kao kao mweri riu ni marikitie kurekererio ni igoti na bodi ya muigana wa ciringi 300 kurikana na mucithania wa igoti riri Gerald Donoria Magori niatariria ati riu area ya kana ekwirwo ya maritanyitwo gukorwo magikinya igoti-ini ria Limuru maita me okimia gukorwo magitika thitango kunyagia cira wao wa kugituithanio.
Suspect is admitted to a bond of 300,000 shillings with one short of similar amount, or a cash bail of 150,000 shillings, pending the approval of the charges to be preferred and taking of plea. And the suspect's respondents, upon being released on bond or cash bail, to report to the Sub-County Criminal Investigations Officer twice a week on every Thursday and Monday. I'm not satisfied on a balance of probabilities that there exists any compelling reason for the suspect's respondents to continue being detained in custody and to be denied bond. There are no compelling reasons as per the affidavit shown by the investigating officer and the submissions by the prosecution. The application is therefore disallowed. This case will be mentioned on the 24th of July this year to confirm whether the suspect would have taken plea in the charges intended to be preferred, and that's the ruling of this court.
Aya ni ngero na makiria ni undu wa kiha kuona ati riu bururi-ini na makiria ihinda-ini ta riri gikota giki no gikorwo gihanika na makiria hari mwana wa kairitu. Riboti yo yambite twareka ihinda-ini gitu kambere ga gwikiria tombe twikirie no tukihunduka niturahuduka na riboti makiria ngithi na mbere na kumenyithia utauria bururi rangithi na mbere na kwiriunga guku ni kwa Muthingi TV tugikiugaga ni kihumo gia gutherema no ukorwo kenia na ithui kuri mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, kuri mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV. Wona watu tikandumiriria kuguiku nitugukorwo tukimiamukira tombe twikirie niturahunduka.
twi barabara-ini tugitwikania ngongo na ngongo gutigirira we mwiroreri witu wa tabarira ya ikumbi ya umatho ni twakurehera utaukiru thiini wa biacara. Ino ni tabarira ya ikumbi ya umatho iria turi kurehagira muthenya wa gatatu kwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 3 cia utuku guku kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema nani gikurehera ngetwo Muthoni wa Wambugu Nyarari.
Hihi nioe nere maritwa ta your honor, acquittal, accused, conviction mahuthikaga. Nioe makinya magukinyukia niguo wone kihoto giaku kana kia mwana waku.
Kihoya kihoto kioneke.
Tabarira-ini ya watho kigeri-ini tugakuhe kahinda ga kuria kiuria na gutuhe woni waku.
Uguo ni ona magioka no ndimatemange ona thirikari ikirire.
Nyitanagira nanie you are lady wa itherero wa Njoroge thiini wa tabarira ya watho kigeri-ini tuthome na tuhige hamwe ici ciigie watho orodumwe na kihoto guku kwa Muthingi TV arikio kihumo gia gutherema.
Ngefitine muremi muramati ngefitike kikere kwa wake ukara mithi kana wakana thaa 8 ugakoragwo na nie niguo kubundithie maingi uhoro wa uremi wa irio urio kuiga ng'ombe na ngoko na nyamu ciaku wega urio kuhota kunyitanithia technology niguo gote kuona indo iguguteithia uthie na mbere na uremi ukurehere mbeca tugie na mwago twikenere tugithomaga na mundu gucoma Njoroge gatundu ni undu gibindi kiretwo ki muremi muramati.
Nitũcokereria ngatho cia mwanya mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV ni guthi na mbere na kwanĩria hamwe na ithuĩ na makiria twikumenyithia maria marikuo thiini iria irikuo ya mohoro. Thirikari ya bũrũri wa Amerika kugerera kĩama kĩa USAID nĩrĩkĩtie kunyagia makĩria ciringi bilioni 3 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ iritanyĩte kĩguna na makĩria na njĩra nene ũrĩmi wa mbeniko na kũrĩa milioni 10 itanyĩtwo gũteithĩrĩria gwaka kĩganda gĩa gũtigĩrĩra ũndũ ũyũ wakorwo gĩkinyanĩra. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ĩheanĩtwo nĩ ambassador wa kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika na agagĩũka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na ũrĩa ũĩkaine ta Meg Whitman na ũrĩa ũgĩte atĩ ĩno nĩ tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo ĩkĩrũgamĩrĩrwo nĩ thirikari ya bũrũri wa Amerika.
President Ruto singled out Contegra as a company leading the U.S.-Kenya partnership. And I am here today to reaffirm the United States. I want to say we are committed to seeing Kenya succeed in transformation. To as many U.S. business media outlets recently called to attention, particularly Bloomberg. Bloomberg just wrote an article, Why Kenya is Poised to be the Singapore of Africa.
So our resolve as Nakuru County government to restore pyrethrum as the commercial poster crop is driven by the fact that a decade ago, Kenya used to account for 80% of all pyrethrum bought by international companies. But now is only accounting for 5%. I mean, we've gone from 5%. I mean, we've gone from 80% to 5%.
Nearly 60% of our farmers say that their primary source of income is from pyrethrum. Excuse me. And another 30% say that pyrethrum is the second most important source of income. Not only is it helping our farmers, but over 60% of them are then hiring other people from the community to help them on their farms.
Iharo-inĩ na tukimenya ciana cia tũrira gĩthĩ na mbere na kwĩgariũra timu ya Bandari FC rĩu nĩrĩkĩtie gũkĩiyũkia ũhotani thĩinĩ wa macindano ma gũtubĩra na marĩa maraharĩrĩirio thukuru-inĩ wa kĩmathomo wa Aga Khan mwena wa Mombasa. Timu ĩno ĩrarĩkirie gũkorwo ĩkiuma thutha wayo gũka na ĩgĩcinda kana ĩgĩkorwo ĩkĩoya ũhotani mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici, na nĩ thutha wa gũkorwo magĩcinda na point 180 kuma marĩ ahotani. Timu yũĩkaine ta Aquatics nĩyo ĩrarĩ namba 2.
We have had one of the biggest turnouts. We've had also teams from Nairobi, enjoyed, and we've seen a lot of good talent coming in. And we should be hosting our next gala in the month of November.
Nĩarĩkĩtie kuma timu-inĩ ĩyo na gũkorwo rĩu akĩranĩra gũkorwo agĩthiĩ timu-inĩ ĩngĩ. Mũthaki ũyũ aheanĩte riboti ĩno kũgerera ng'enda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria, na kũrĩ rĩu atanyĩtwo gũkorwo agĩthiĩ timu-inĩ ĩngĩ. Mũndũ ũĩkaine ta Patrick akoretwo agĩthakĩra timu ya AFC Leopards gwa kahinda ka mĩaka 2. Na rĩu mũthiani atĩ mũthaki Bernard Mwalala rĩu nĩarĩkĩtie gũthamĩra kĩrabu-inĩ gĩa KCB na nĩ thutha wake kũingatwo timu-inĩ ya Ulinzi Stars. Mwalala rĩu aingĩrĩte timu-inĩ thutha wa mũthaki Zedekaya Otieno kuma kĩrabu-inĩ gĩkĩ. Mwalala nĩahotete gũkorwo agĩthakĩra timu cia Bandari FC, Nzoia Sugar, Kakamega Homeboys hau kabere. Wana cihanda wega thaa imwe na nĩ ciahwainye atĩrĩ nganjĩire ho nĩ ngũhũndũka hana riboti ici mbemba-inĩ ngĩthiĩ na mbere na kũmenyithia o ta ũrĩa bũrũri ũragĩthiĩ na mbere na kwĩriũnga. Mamwe ma marĩa tũgũkorwo tũgĩkũharĩria nĩ atĩ minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Profesa Kithure Kindiki nĩ arokire mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya Senate ya mwanya itemi-inĩ rĩake gũthiĩ na mbere na gũtarĩria ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũthuthuria wa kũrĩa mũtitũ wa Shakahola na ũrĩa ũthiĩte na mbere na kuruhania na gũkuruhania na mũtungatĩri mũgomu gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Paul Mackenzie. Macio nĩmo marĩkũ thĩinĩ rĩa ĩrĩkũ ya Mohoro rĩakwa nĩ Kariuki wa Nduati nĩ tũtũngane. Wona cihanda wega thaa ĩmwe na nĩ cia hwainĩ tidia wega.
Nitutete mawoni maku na nikio no twende kuigua mateta na mendekithia maku iguru ria tafarira citu. Aranĩria na ithuĩ kugerera namba ya WhatsApp ni 0776 8